For this question, evaluate the center of gravity. So the required here is the center of gravity. In each figure below, arrange the figure in increasing order. This means from the lowest to the highest. Order of y-axis of gravity. All bars are 1 unit wide. Okay, so this exactly what we have here. So here we have figure A, figure B, figure C, figure D. We will take one by one and we will arrange it in order from the lowest to the highest. This means the nearest to the farthest to the y-axis. As we know here and as per FE, let's start. What is the center of gravity mean? The center of gravity mean, like, for example, if I have like round shape like this, so the center of gravity, it will be here in the center. What does this mean? This mean if you fix it, this figure, this shape here, if you fix it here, okay, so it will be stable. So it is like the balance point. Okay, and we have also mean the center of gravity. As we know, it will equal summation of area of I multiply by distance y of I divided by summation of area of I. This is the center of gravity. Let's take this color and we will apply this to the first shape. So we will apply this here for the first one. To apply this here, this is the y-axis. We have here, this is 8. Okay, and as we know here, the unit wide is 1. So this one, 8 by 1. And this is like two parts, 2 and 6. So, and also the wide is 1. To solve this one, we need to break this to small parts like this. This we can break it to this one here. This bar is here 6. Okay, here this is the first one, this 6, and the width is 1. Okay, so we can take another part, is this one here, this one here, is this one. We finish this one. So I can make it in color. We will take like this part first. Okay, and after this we will take this part. So we'll make it like 3 parts. Okay, you see it, this red one. Let's take it, this red here, it is 8. Okay, and the wide is 1. Okay, and we can take another part here. Let's take this part, let's take it yellow so you can see the difference. Okay, we have here this yellow one. Okay, so this yellow one here, it is 2. Okay, so 2 multiply by 1. So we took it like 3 parts. So center of gravity, it will equal summation of AI multiplied by yi divided by summation AI. Let's apply this here. So it will equal here. Let's take it here. Area here, area of this bar, it will equal 6 multiplied by 1. Okay. So this one here, 6 multiplied by 1. And the center is of gravity, it will be for this bar, it will be here. So it will be in the center here. So it will be 3. So it will be multiplied by 3. Okay. Plus the second one. Second one, I have it here, is this one, the red one. It is 8. Area, it is 8 multiplied by 1. Okay. And also multiply by 8 multiplied by 1 multiplied by the center. The center is, it will be here. So the center will be here. This is the wide is 1. So I have here, this is the center. Right here in the middle. This wide is 1, as it's saying here, all bars 1 unit. So this means this is 1. And the half of 1, it is 0.5. So I have 0.5 here. And to take it like far of y, so 0.5 plus this. So it will be 0.5 here, this area. And this one, the 6. So it will be multiplied by 6.5. So you understand this one? This one here, the center here is 0.5 and plus 6.5 plus the last one, it is 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, and this is this 2 multiplied by 1. So in the middle, the center, it will be here. So here we have like 1 and 1 here. Okay, and 6. So it will be 6 and 1, 7, and 1 here, 8. So it will be here multiplied by 8. There is no space, so I write it here. Divided by summation of areas. Area here, 6 by 1, it will be 6, plus 8 by 1, it will be 8, plus 2 by 1, it will be 2. Okay, so now we understand this one. So it will equal, so it will equal 5.2 by 5.38. This is the first one. Okay, so this 5.38. Now we finished figure A. Okay, so figure A, the center of gravity is 5.38. Okay, let's go to B. Let's solve B. For B, we will make it like 3 parts. We will take like this part. We will make like 2 parts. 2 parts is enough. We will take like this part. Okay. And we can take another color. We will take this part. So we have like 2 parts. And the center of gravity, it will equal here. Let's take the first one. This is the first one here. It is 8 multiplied by this width. This means multiply by 1. 8 multiplied by 1. This is the blue color, this one. And the center, it will be here. The center, it will be here. This means it will be 4 in the middle of this one. So it will be multiplied by 4 plus We will take the green one. The green one is 8 multiplied by this width is 1. So 8 also multiplied by 1. Both are 8. 8 and 8. 8 by 1. But here we have the center here. This total is 1. This total is 1. So we will take the middle, the half of it will be 0.5. So it will be far from y axis. It will be 8 plus 0.5. So it will be multiplied by 8.5 divided by the area. 8 by 1 it will be 8 plus 8 by 1 it will be 8. So the answer will be 6.25. So for here 6.25, and for the first one 5.38. So this one center of gravity is nearest than this one to the y-axis. This means this is center of gravity of this one is far than the center of gravity of this one. Okay, let's continue also. For C, let's take C. Okay, we can remove this one. Okay, so we can have like good space, so we can see the figure and we can solve in the same area. Okay, so for this one C, we will take like also 3 parts. We will take like this one, okay, green one, and we can take red color. We will take like this one here, and this is the last one here. So let's solve it. So this one it will equal, let's take summation of area. So we have here 4 multiplied by 1, this is the width, and here we have 1, the width is 1. So this means the center it will be here, and it will be far from y axis by 0.5 plus, let's take this red one. This red one, the center of gravity it will be here, so it will be the area, it will be 8 by 1. So here 8 by 1, and the center will be here, it will be here, the center it's this here 4, but we have 1 here also, so it will be multiplied by 5 plus the last part is this one, it is 4 multiplied by 1, so 4 multiplied by 1, and the center of gravity it will be here in the middle. This is 1, so it will be 0.5, and we have here 8 plus 0.5, so this means 8.5 plus 1 here, we have 1 here, so it will be plus 1, it will be 9.5. So this one multiplied by 9.5 divided by all the areas. This means 4 by 1 it will be 4, and 8 multiplied by 1 it will be 8, and 4 multiplied by 1 it will be 4. So the total for figure C it will be 5, exactly 5. So we have here 5. Okay, let's take figure D. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, and we will continue with this one. So for D also we will make the same. We will take like here, we will take like two parts. We will take one part here, okay, and we can take another part here, this one, okay. So it will equal the areas. Here we have 8 multiplied by 1, and the center here, this is 1, so the center is here, so it is multiplied by 0.5, plus we have this one, it is the area 8 by 1, and the center of gravity, it will be here, it will be 4, and we already have 1 here, so this means it will be multiplied by 5, and divided by the areas 8 by 1, it will be 8, plus 8 by 1, it will be 8, so the total for this one, D, it will equal 2.75. So here we have 2.75. This is for D. Okay, let's go to the last one. The last one, it will be figure E, and we can go to figure E here. So for figure E, we have here this one, 5. We have here this one also, and we can take like the third one is this one, so we will take like 3 parts, so it will equal summation of area 1. Area 1, it is 5 multiplied by 1. This is the first part, and it is 0.5. This is the height from y-axis, plus we will take this one also, this one 8 multiplied by 1, and we have the center of gravity here, this for this one 4, plus we have already 1 here, so it will be like multiplied by 5, plus the last one, it is 3 multiplied by 1, and for this one we have the center here, so here it will be 0.5. This means 0.5, so we have here 0.5, plus we have here 8 plus 8, and we have here 1 to reach to y-axis, so 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 0.5, it will be 9.5, so we will multiply here by 9.5. We will divide it by all the areas. The area here, 5 multiplied by 1, it will be 5, 8 multiplied by 1, it will be 8, 3 multiplied by 1, it will be 3. So the total, it will be 4.44. So we have here 4.44. Okay, so now we have all the center of gravity's distance from y-axis. Now we will arrange it, okay, from the farthest to the nearest. Let's remove this one also here. Okay, so we can have like good area. So as you see here, I put here the distances for the center of gravity from y-axis. So if we see the lowest one is D, it is 2.75. It is the nearest to the y-axis. So if we can write the lowest, we can write here, it will be D. Okay, this is the first one. And next to D, we can go to what is next to 2.75. We can find E. It is 4.44, right? 4.44. So the next one, it will be E. I can write to you here the center of gravity distance so you can understand it. 2.75, and here we have 4.44. The next one, it will be, we have here 5.38. We have anything? No, we have here 5 also. So it will be, the next one will be C, and here it will be 5. And after this, it will be A, 5.38. So here 5.38, it is A. And the last one, it will be P. This means it will be 6.25. So this means it will be the highest. It will be P, 6.25. So now we arranged the center of gravity according to the lowest, this means the nearest to y-axis, to the highest, this means the farthest one from y-axis. This is good question and easy one in the same time. It just will take like some time of the exam. So as much as you can, try to make it quick and try to find the solution quickly so you can answer it as quick as you can.